In this video, I'm going to show you how to reply to a disappearing photo or video on Instagram. So basically, if somebody sent you a disappearing photo, you have two chances to open it. So first is to open it the first way, and then sometimes you have a second chance to open it one more time, and after that you won't be able to do it. But if you want to respond directly to it, you can just take a screenshot of the photo and then reply to it that way. And you can do this with all of your contacts, and it's pretty simple. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.